Bleaching of the skin have a lot of consequences. It ranges from this. When done really wrong. In this video, I'm going to be telling you and showing you products you can use this 2024 that is going to give you a glowing, brighter, clean looking skin without any side effects. There are ways you can achieve your desired skin and glow your skin without you having to go through all these problems. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about some products you should try out that's going to help brighten your skin, it's going to help glow your skin like the sun, and it's going to help boost your skin without giving you side effects. No one wants to see these things on their skin. Everyone wants a flawless skin. So the first cream I'm going to be talking about is Amla Tea. So this Amla Tea is a very good cream because it contains vitamin C. Not only that, it also contains 7% of lactic acid. Lactic acid helps to exfoliate the skin. It helps to rejuvenate and renew the skin cells. What it does is it sheds out the dead skin cells off your skin and then produces new ones. So when you remove the dead skin cells from your skin is going to look brighter. So this cream helps to exfoliate your skin, it helps to brighten your skin, it helps to glow your skin, it helps to renew your skin. It is high in moisturizer and it is non-greasy. It's something that when you put in your skin, it penetrates deep down in your skin. It also contains niacinamide, which is vitamin B in there, which is one thing you should always look out for when you're buying a product. So it is great for sensitive skin. If you have scaly skin, if you have dull skin, if you have dry skin, whatever skin you have, this product is very good. And gradual process is going to help lighten your skin. How lucky are we to have a cream or a lotion that helps to exfoliate your skin while moisturizing it? The next one I'm going to be talking about is Advanced Clinical Vitamin C. So this lotion is a very great lotion when it comes to moisturizing your skin. It has great ingredients like aloe vera, vitamin E. One thing I love these products is that these ingredients in there helps to replenish your skin, especially if you have sunburns or if you have dark knuckles and all that. This vitamin E, aloe vera and all that is going to help brighten those things naturally. These are natural products that helps to heal the skin. It also contains vitamin C and turmeric. Turmeric helps to brighten up the skin. It contains antioxidant that is going to help protect your skin from acne and all that. So this is a perfect lotion when you're looking to glow your skin. Also, Advanced Clinical is very good if you also add the serum or the oil. I always talk about adding serum and oils to your product. You don't need to add it in everything. Give it turn half, put your oil in half, and then leave the other half. You can use one during the day and one during the night. This lotion is very good. It helps to brighten your skin over time, and it's something you want your skin to be brightened over time, and then you start noticing that your skin is glowing, your skin is getting brighter and brighter and brighter and brighter till you get your desired result. Okay, it is also good for oily skin, dry skin, combination skin, normal skin type. So whichever one you are, this is a product that is suitable for your skin and it's not going to react to your skin badly. The next lotion I'm going to talk about is Medix 5.5 turmeric, vitamin C plus turmeric. So this is a very great lotion and it contains really great ingredients. First of all, let's talk about the turmeric in this lotion. Turmeric helps to brighten the skin over time, and it contains antioxidant that is also going to help protect your skin. So this lotion is very good. Gradual process, it helps to brighten the skin. I've had people say, oh, this product does not really work like that. Over time, yes, it works. It is not a sharp lotion. It's a lotion that with gradual use and process, it's going to brighten your skin, it's going to glow your skin, and you're going to notice difference in your skin appearance. Okay, if you're having acne, if you're having rash and all that, you're going to notice that this thing is going to help reduce it and gradually it's going to stop it. This lotion tends to brighten the skin over time. It is not a sharp thing. Not only that, it helps to moisturize your skin and it's suitable for all skin type as well. One thing about Medix 5.5 is the fact that you have to also use the serum alongside. This serum, putting it in your lotion, you're going to get the effect double. If you're using it on its own, it's good. It's going to be a very slow process. But if you want something, a little bit much, yeah, add up the serum in there. Like I always say, divide it, turn part of the serum in one and the other one you can use it like that, because it gets to a point where you want to stop using the lotion that you mixed and you would want to be using that. You don't have to use it every day. If you're getting too bright, you can then now switch to. Next is going to be QEI plus Paris. This lotion has been in the market for years and it is very good. One thing about this lotion is the fact that it works. It is not a sharp, it's not a sharp proper. It works very well. It is suitable for all skin type as well, and it helps to brighten the skin. I've talked about so many lotions, but this one is one lotion that works way faster than the ones I have talked about. It works very well, and the negative side to this particular lotion I'm going to be talking about is the fact that you need your sunscreen. There's just something about it that makes you know that yes, you need your sunscreen. I'm not saying the other lotions you don't need your sunscreen, but with this lotion you need your sunscreen. It is very good for the skin. It is effective. It's faster than the others, but it's not going to give you that proper result you're looking for. But before you finish one bottle of the lotion, you are already seeing results. Like, yes, you get. So this lotion is a lotion, like I said, has been there for years, been there for a very long time, and it is still true to itself. The next one I'm going to be talking about is Olay. This is one product to me that people don't really pay attention to, but this product, guys, this product is one product I will say yes, try and get and use. This product contains not only vitamin B and C, but also vitamin B complex. And vitamin B complex helps to replenish your skin. It helps to brighten up dull skin, and it helps to replenish moisture in the skin. One thing our skin needs is moisture. Moisture. When you have moisture, your skin is going to be looking supple, your skin is going to be looking well hydrated. I know a lot of people using this product, and trust me, over time their skin, like, you ask them what are you using on your skin and they will say Olay, and you'll be like but trust me, it is Olay they're using. This is one people don't emphasize on this lotion enough, but this lotion is a very, very great lotion. So if you're willing to get a desired result, it's not something that's going to bleach your skin, it's something that's going to brighten your dull skin over time. And when your dull skin is being brightened up, what happens? It tends to get brighter and brighter and brighter and brighter. So over time you're going to get your desired results. Also, it is good for all skin types as well. So other things you can do to help your skin glow is, don't forget to exfoliate your skin twice a day. There are a lot of great exfoliators or scrub out there. We have Dr. Teal range and all that. And don't forget to also moisturize your skin. Don't forget to drink lots of water. Also take vitamins. If you can get a glutathione and vitamin C, it is perfect. You can always take it. This is also going to help with your skin elasticity. When you are going in with all these vitamins in your body, it's going to also be reflecting on the outside of your skin. So get good vitamins, vitamin C, glutathione, vitamin E, and all that. Supplements are going to help your skin as well. Like I said, don't forget to exfoliate. Don't forget, and most importantly, sunscreen. Guys, sunscreen is very, very important, because it's like a blockade. You see those people abroad, when you see their skin, they're like glowing. You'll be wondering, because you know the weather is cool, their skin is being a little bit protected by the sun and all that. When your friends come back, their skin don't change and all those kind of things. Yes, if you notice people that stay indoors, their skin tends to be brighter than those that are under the sun, because the sun tends to tan the skin. When Oyibo people want to tan their skin, want to look darker or brown, they go under the sun so that they can get tan. But if you're using sunscreen protects your skin, not completely, but it helps to protect your skin from the harsh UV rays, which means sun is not touching your skin. And when sun is not touching your skin, what tends to happen to your skin? Your skin becomes brighter. So do not forget your sunscreen. And this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave your questions in the comment section. Guys, even if you don't have a question to say hi trend. Hi trend. I love you guys. Don't forget to give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video.